ase orboti ororikiranu chinga kichiskuru chigenderete gosiekwa na boroki wa birasi byense kwenyorera chigutwa cyogosuka mutwa sekeras kende nigo abayiboli na boiga aborokia bagendete kurwe birengerere byabo kubwatikana no muroberio OCBC na boigo omukia bwa borokiwa muri keito Mildred Momanyi na bagawikirana ase skuru yoboroso ya Wema Preparatory iyo otoka sebunge ya Bonchari imeye county ya Kisii ase omuyega bwo kubekerwa egutwa kwa borokiwa bako korekana kurendo muri keito Sara Nyarangi nero bwa torboti oruo
etamu yo mwakoyo nigo yaberire angekoera abwasabana ba PP2 kogenda grade 1 banyarako bagokora umuyega bwo kubekerwa chigutwa ime yeskuru yoboroso ya Wema Mid Valley Preparatory ime yali amasagara ebunge ya Bonchari niga borokigwa baorokia obumanyi bwabo kubwatekana no muroberio OCBC weteretengo amono korokia ebyego byabo ao ekero babwa tomuyega bwo gochengera abana babo abo bale korwa PP2 gochia grade 1
You must go to school.
This is an institution that is following the CBC curriculum into details, and I've seen that children are trained all around. We've been entertained in different aspects of life, in co-curricular activities, in everything. It has been so perfect. The training of children in the speaking of the language is very good, and I strongly believe the practical part of it is so good.
Omo director weskuru yo George Masagara niga kwanera igoro yo muroberio OCBC asatebire barabwo nigo bagokereto muroberio yo ekyagera nigo gosira ebyegwa asaborokiwa
bereto kurwa umutalo mu OCBC guchakira ibirasi byanse byoboroso mpaka ibirasi byigoro twabera twakora matemwa Kenya National Examination Council na bono mana toko kwa nega matemwa grade 3 grade 4 on sia soira system nigo to twegenete ngabana goika bakonyo go develop their competencies
ase chinga kiechyo nigo mwarokigwa bweskuru eyo abaganiria maya asaborokigwa bakirasi isano nemo nabo igo ekirasi kya gatano na gatatu asamatemo manene yo mwakoyo bwechiri bibere na merongo ebere nebere.
For those one who are going to sit for their exams grade 6 and for class 8, we wish them all the best.
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.
Mia mono Sara Nyarangi Ontita